for Florence.
Today on the Contessa's Quickies, we're going to discuss a book that I believe every medievalist should have in their library, the Paston Letters. The Pastons were a middle class or an upwardly mobile middle class family from the late 14th and 15th centuries, and their collection of letters is extensive. This particular book depicts their lives from the 1440s to the 1490s. All sorts of aspects of daily life, from Christmas celebrations to courtly intrigue to family mental health. Basically, it's a window back in time. So if you want to understand what real people's lives were like in this era, the Paston Letters is your friend. And also, you can learn medieval correspondence formulas. So master the use of such great forms of salutation, such as right worshipful and right entirely beloved, or dear cousin, I recommend me unto you, or well, beloved friend, I commend me to you. So, Paston Letters for the win. Today on the Contessa's Quickies, we're going to discuss how to put on my signature coif. Looks like this to start, made of linen. Has front and tails. So, put it on my head, like so, like a hood. Gather up any hair that I want caught in the back pouch, like so. Grab the ends, and then I just start twisting so that it cups the back of my head. I keep twisting and twisting and twisting. Wrap it up and over my head. Tie the ends, tuck the tails. Make sure everything is tucked in the back. Turn back the brim, and voila. Today on Quickies with the Contessa, a quick dance lesson. Today we're going to be covering brawls, which are line dances that move sideways from France from the mid-16th century. And these are decidedly middle-class dances. So today we're going to talk about the double brawl. So in essence, you'll start with your weight on your right foot with your left foot free. You're going to step onto the left foot, close with the right foot, step on the left foot, and tap with the right foot. And then we do that same thing to the right. Step left, step right, step left, step right, tap. And repeat left and right. Left, right, tap, right, tap, left, right, tap, right, tap. Keep going. Now, the thing that actually allows this to travel as a line dance is that the double to the left is big, the double to the right is small. Okay, let's go ahead and try that with music. If you're enjoying this compilation, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click on notifications to stay apprised of all the latest and greatest content. Back to your regularly scheduled Contessa. Today on the Contessa's Quickies, a book that I believe everyone must have to improve their medieval manners. The Book of Nurture, the Book of Caring, the Book of Caring, and the Baby's Book. Let's see what sort of rules medieval table manners demand. Fill not thy mouth full, least thou perhaps of force must speaka, nor blow out thy crumbs when thou dost eata. Fill not the place with spitting where thou dost sit, least it abhorra some that art by. Let reason rule thy wit. If thou must spit or blow thy nose, keep thou it out of sight. Let it not lie upon the ground, but tread thou it outright. Perfect table manners in the Middle Ages. Today on the Contessa's Quickies, we're going to talk about my first ever embroidery project when I was 15. Here it is. Yes, that's right. I started with the Bayeux Tapestry. I had no idea about anything except some vague idea of medieval stitches, and I stared at the photographs of the tapestry that I could find. By the way, it's not a tapestry, it's technically an embroidery. And so here you have it, my attempts at recreating the Bayeux Tapestry, or a portion of it, with not a single clue about anything at all. I think it's not bad. It's all surface couch stitches and split stitches and chain stitches. Not bad for the first thing I ever tried. So if I, at the age of 15, in rural Delaware, with no resources and the internet was a wasteland of porn and chat rooms, can do this, then you in the modern world can do anything you set your mind to. Get out and get creative.
Anywhere?